10 minutes until the opening bell. Quick check of the markets. Got the Dow up 54, E-mini S&P's up 12 and a quarter, NASDAQ up 22, and the Russell up $9.30, and the commodities are green across the board as well. So looking like a positive open so far. As far as the morning movers, some pretty good volume pre-market. U.S. Steel up about 27% on 16 million shares traded already, and the market's not even open. This is pre-market session. Snapchat up 3%, 5 million shares traded already. Apple's already done about 5 million shares. CNH Industrial, Micron, and Wells Fargo have done 3, and so on and so forth. You see the rest of them there. So I'm going to be trading the Qs like usual. I'm going to be trading the December 22nd 400 call. It's got a delta of 78.6 as of Friday's close. And open interest 4,321. So a lot of holders of this one. This is a weekly option. The monthlies fell off the board on last Friday, the 15th. So because this is a weekly, I expect the spread to be pretty wide on this one, maybe 20 to 30 cents wide, but hopefully still a decent market. So less than about 8 minutes to go until the opening bell. See you then. A minute and a half until the opening bell. Still holding onto gains on the future side anyway. There you see it right there. Dow up 54, E-mini S&P is up 13.5, NASDAQ up 25, Russell up $8.40. As I said, I'm going to be trading the 400 call on the NASDAQ ETF, the Qs, expiring December 22nd. That is 4 days from now. And the goal is to trade up to 30 lots. We'll see how close to 30 I get today. This is the week going into Christmas weekend, so as usual around holidays, I always say, who knows how it's going to be. It could be quiet. It could be a wild ride. Every day is different in our markets. The setup, usual, got a 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. White line is VWAP, yellow line is 9-period SMA. So it's averaging the closing price of the previous 9 candles. And I also have the RSI down here. That's also a 9-period. But I'm mostly going to be trading off the 1 minute. Two seconds to go. And they're off. Okay, I'm going to start with a 1 lot right there. Average price $6.08. Big red candle there on the open. Opening green across the board on the cash indices now that all equities are open. Dow's up 36, S&P 500 up 10, NASDAQ is up 17, Russell up 5. And surprisingly, even though they're green across the board, volatility is up 20 cents. The VIX moving slightly higher. 10 seconds left on this candle. 2 consecutive red candles got a lower high and a lower low. If it breaks below this double wick bottom here, let's call it 405.18 to 405.20, I'll take an add. Okay, I'm going to take an add. I added 4 at 6.55, so I now have 5 lots. My average price $6.46. Still breaking down. RSI is at in the low 30s now. Okay, just hit another low. My first entry was $6.07 this morning. The mid price right now is $6.22. So if it gets closer to my initial entry price, I might just add there and reduce my average price. 5 seconds left on this current candle. Okay, I'm going to add. There we go. So I added 15 lots at $6.45. My average $6.45 and 9/10. Thanks to commissions, I have a little fraction in there. Okay, this is breaking down, so I'm going to go ahead and take some profit off the table. $367 there. If there's a reaction to the home prices index, I'm going to wait for things to settle down, and then I'll add back in with another 15 lots for a total of 20. I'm still green on the 5 remaining that I have. Okay, I went ahead and added. Okay, so the housing market index just came out for December. 37 versus 36 estimate, 34 prior. I still have my 20 lots. Average price $6.74. Mid price is $6.92. I'm going to wait for a break of 7, and I'm going to offer $7.05 to get out. Okay, there's 7 on the mid price. My offer is $7.05 to get out. It is 96 on the bid. And boom, I'm out. Beautiful. For a nice profit of $969.32 on the day. All right, I am done for the day. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.